Hi guys, what's up? I'm Meredith. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have teamed up with TikOne. They sent me a UA luxury dupe Louis Vuitton bag and I cannot wait to show you guys what they sent my way. If you guys are new here, I am Meredith. I am a mid-size and curvy content creator. I create lots of hauls and try-ons and unboxings and all the good stuff for you guys at home, hopefully to make your lives a little bit easier shopping for our curvy bodies. I have thrown into the mix some lifestyle stuff as well, and so we're gonna get right into today's video. All right, so let's see what they sent my way. First of all, let's talk about this cute little bag. Love to see it. And of course, the bag comes in their classic Louis Vuitton orange box with the cute little handles. You can even carry it like this from the store. Let's go ahead and open up the box. All right. So as you guys can see, it comes with its little dust bag. This is a cute little piece that you can sort of store on your bookcase or in your closet somewhere for a cute addition. And of course the cute little dust bag if you guys are traveling or if you want to store it, you know, safely in your closet. This is a great way to do so. I also wanted to mention TikOne is giving everybody 16% off their entire website with the code Morgan. I will put that right at the bottom of the screen here. All right, let's see her. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, this is the Louis Vuitton Ivy crossbody bag, and isn't she gorgeous? Let's talk details. All right, so first and foremost, this is a great size bag for everyday use. Big enough for your wallet, big enough for your phone, probably not big enough for a water bottle, but maybe on the bottom here. This is just a great everyday bag and I'm so excited to have it part of my closet and my wardrobe. I've wanted this for a really long time. I'm really excited that they sent this my way. Also has a cute little handle here with gold details everywhere, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and open her up. It actually looks like it's a real sort of belt loop closure. I thought maybe it would be magnetic, but it is not. So let's go ahead and see what is inside. All right, so we'll get rid of the tissue and let's go ahead and open up the crossbody strap real quick. Comes with a cute little card. Oh, all right. Looks like it's gonna take me a second, so let me go ahead and put this together. All right, I have just made the strap and I'm gonna go ahead and throw it onto this beautiful, beautiful bag. All right, here she is. This is just stunning. This has ample room for lots of different things. And now that I have it open, I feel like you could definitely fit a water bottle in here along with a small wallet, maybe some hand sanitizer and definitely your keys. I just think that this bag is so stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the details on the outside. So we have the monogram here with the closure and the gold details. We have this sort of brown leather piping and obviously the brown monogram throughout, including on the sides. I love the fact that even the little details up here, you can see the red seams of the leather, which I really love. And I'm gonna go ahead and stand up so you guys can see how long the crossbody bag is on me. I might have to zoom out, so give me 1 second. All right, hopefully you guys can see me okay. I have the crossbody bag on, so it hits right around my hip, which I think is the perfect size. You can also make it a little bit smaller. I made it on the longest size. You guys can actually do 2 holes closer here and then 2 holes also closer on this side to make it shorter. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that adjustment now. All right, so I'm gonna quickly show you guys. I'm so out of frame right now, but that's okay. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make it smaller. So just like that. It's just like, you know, your belt loop. It's super simple. And then of course you have like the extra sort of loop. Instead of having this sort of flap, you've got the little loop that you can put it in like that. And let me go ahead and take this off and show you guys the other side. So I'm gonna make it 2 holes shorter on this side as well. And it's, again, so simple to change the length of it. And so this is what the shorter size looks like on me. So it's just slightly higher than my hip. It's right sort of in my tummy area. And I also think that this is a great sort of length for it. And then also you can hold it just in your hand. You can actually take this guy off, the longer strap off, like so, and then just carry it like this. All right, guys, so there you have it. You have my little unboxing of the Ivy crossbody Louis Vuitton monogram bag. It is just stunning. If you guys are interested in grabbing something like this on TikOne's website, they are giving all of my viewers and followers 16% off with the code Morgan. So go ahead on over, check them out. They have lots of great UA luxury items over on their website, and by the feel of this, you guys, it feels like real leather. It feels so good, so soft, and I mean, it looks like the daggone real thing. I mean, this is just insane. If you have any questions at all, please drop them in the comment section below. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell button, and then also hit that heart with the money symbol if you guys are interested in giving me a super thanks. It's always super helpful to be able to create free content for you guys on my YouTube channel. So anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye!